In lesson 4 of our course, we're going to dive into something crucial, computer basics for virtual assistants. So let's kick things off by making sure you're solid ground when it comes to your trusty computer. Your virtual assistant toolkit. Your computer is like a trusty toolbox in the world of virtual assistants. It's where the magic happens, so let's get comfortable with it. So, our very VA toolkit is our computer or our laptop. So, every transaction, every task that we will do is using our toolkit or our computer. So, first, we should get to know our computer or our laptop. So that is the first thing. We need to understand our computer's hardware. This includes the physical components such as screen, keyboard, mouse, and other mysterious parts. So next is the software essentials. So these are the apps and the programs that help you get the stuff done. So the software essentials that we were going to talk about today are all office software such as word processor. So the example of word processors are Microsoft Word, Google Doc, and Zoho Doc, if you're familiar with that. So those word processors are used for our document, creating our document. Yan, ready for printout. So the next is the spreadsheet. So ang example nito is the Excel sheet. Next is the Google Sheet and the Zoho Sheet. So if you're familiar with presentation, then we will have the PowerPoint, the Google Slide, and also Canva. Next would be the email. And so the email is very essential tool, no, for being a virtual assistant. So we will have the popular one, the Gmail. So make sure that you have a Gmail. Next is the Yahoo Mail. Then if you're familiar with Zoho Mail, yeah. So that is just as an example. So we're not limited to use that. But most likely, ang prefer talaga would be Gmail because it has, a built-in apps, office apps like Zoho Doc, Sheet, Forms, Drive. So that is all for free. Meron silang free version. And then we have the file management. So the example of this is Dropbox, Google Drive. So yun, kapag meron ka ng Gmail, then you will have the Google Drive, no? So yeah, and then lastly, we have the meeting tools. So ang mga popular ones, we have the Zoom, but the Zoom has, a free version of it. And I think 40 minutes or 55, I don't know. Basta limited lang siya, yung minutes lang for the meeting. For the Google Meet, yan, ito, limited lang siya sa users. So, but the hours are, wala siyang, may limitation siya pero mas mahaba sa Zoom. So, yon ang software essential natin. So, ayan muna yung madidiscuss natin ngayon since ito talaga yung mga most used. Okay, so let's have the file management. So, I already mentioned it earlier. Ang mga sample tools niya is Dropbox and the Google Drive. So, this might sound boring, but it is very essential. You'll learn how to create, organize, and find your files efficiently. So, I'm going to have a demo with you on how my Google Drive is arranged or organized. So, I'm going to share my screen. So, in the Google Drive, they have this left-hand option, the priority, my drive, share with me, recent, start, spam, trash, and storage. So dito sa drive, before I am under an agency, and so here guys, this is how my Google Drive looks. So inside my drive, I created a folder called the name of the agency that I'm working with, and they give me, clients that looking for the skills that I have. So this one, there's their name. So for example, this one, I've worked with Alex for the blogs, analytics, and so on. So I manage or organize the things, put it here in her drive. So yan. So for example, yung client naman ay there are lots of tasks given to you. Like for example, writing, social media. So all you need to do is to create a subfolder. No, I'll check if yan. For example, this one. Task 1, Task 2, Task 3, Task 4. So this is on how to organize, no? So kayo nang bahala mag-organize basta naiintindihan nyo. And then sometimes the client wants to check your work and then you can share it to them. So yan, i-share nyo lang siya, share. Yan. So just add their email and give the link to them. And then there we have the internet. The internet is your playground as a virtual assistant. So we have the web browser. The sample web browsers are Google Chrome, Brave, Mozilla Firefox, and Edge. So I prefer Google Chrome and Brave because there are lots of extension that you can use for the search engines. Example niyan is Google Search, Bing, Yahoo Search. So, yan, pwede nyo gamitin yan for internet research. So, most probably, you are using Google, no? So yeah, that's good. And then the last one is staying safe online. So here I will highlight two ways on how to stay safe online. First is to connect with private Wi-Fi. So pag private Wi-Fi, it has, password. So wag kang kumonect dun sa mga public Wi-Fi kasi they are less safe, no? Vulnerable siya sa mga attacks. And then next is kung pwede, if we have like paid VPN, yan. So paid VPN can cover or mask your real IP addresses. And kapag ano kasi pag hindi premium yung VPN or free VPN, although namamask yung ID mo, pero your information or your personal information or personal data, um, most probably, kinukuha yan ng mga VPN company, and they will hindi natin alam, they can sell it online, no, yung personal info natin. So that is how we stay safe online. The basics, the private Wi-Fi and the VPN. And then to sum it up, we've touched all the understanding your computer's hardware, software essential, file management, and the internet basics. In our next lesson, we will dive deeper into the email management and communication tools, which are the lifelines as a virtual assistant. So yeah, thank you so much.